Welcome to Box Joy. Let's assemble your kids' wardrobe organizer in just a few simple steps. Make sure all the parts are ready before you begin. Take a square panel and start by attaching the feet connectors to the square panel to create a strong and stable foundation. Next, install the square panels on both sides by using the feet connectors. Now attach the buckles to both sides of the structure. Place a square panel onto the buckles to create the partition. Install another square panel at the back to strengthen the compartment. Attach the connectors to both sides of the structure. Complete the section by attaching the top square panel. Then attach the other two connectors to complete the first compartment. Use the hammer to firmly secure all the connectors and buckles in place. Repeat the same process to build the remaining sections, stacking them one level at a time until the full rack structure is complete. Now attach the doors and secure them properly so they open and close with ease. Install the metal hook accessory for additional storage convenience. To personalize your rack, apply the included decorative stickers to the doors and create a look your child will love. And that's it! Your Box Joy 6-shelf kids wardrobe organizer is now fully assembled and ready to keep everything neatly organized. Box Joy, making organization simple, fun and enjoyable for every family.